Officially, summer is here, which means it is cotton kurta season, which are soft, breathable, yet so pretty. I found some really nice pieces on Myntra. So in this haul, I am not only showing you the looks, but giving you quick fit check and vibe check, like for which mood or moment each piece feels perfect for. So without further ado, let's get into it. Beautiful set is from brand Indoera, which is a perfect example of how traditional element can be styled for modern elegance. Its silk blend fabric has subtle sheen to it, making it ideal for both day and evening events. This dress is my go-to when I want to feel and look effortlessly graceful. Its delicate threadwork embroidery adds that delicate touch, while a scalloped hemline adds a hint of playfulness to it. Kind of set which makes you feel put together without trying too hard. I am wearing size L and I am 5 foot 3 inches tall. This kurta is a straight cut with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, providing comfortable yet flattering fit. It comes with a trouser which is partially elasticated, providing the ease of movement. It comes with one pocket which adds a layer of comfort to it. Kurta comes with a lining, so it is very easy to wear, but the trouser does not have any lining, so you have to wear nude undergarments underneath. This part of the set is this beautiful half dupatta, which is printed with this lace detail. It is adding a charming touch to this set. For the styling, I have paired it with these beautiful oxidized jhumka to complement this beautiful colorful embroidery and the silver bracelet and ring. For the footwear, I picked up my silver thong style heels to keep the look sleek. This ensemble is so versatile, you can wear it for festive gathering or a chic day out. This beautiful pure cotton kurta set is from brand He Posh, and honestly they never miss. It's a chikankari embroidered kurta set with this gorgeous angrakha style at the yoke. You can see this thread and these pearl details. It has this beautiful V neckline which elongates your frame, and it comes with anarkali flare which is really flattering. Between the kalis, it has this beautiful soft lace trim. It comes with slightly flared palazzo and this beautiful organza dupatta. It gives elegance without the effort. This is the outfit I'd reach for when I want to look really put together, but secretly I want to be comfy and cute. This is perfect for any daytime event, festive gatherings, pujas, or when you want to look little gorgeous on any weekday. For the quick fit check, I am wearing the size large, which is fitting me perfectly well. It is not very tight, it is relaxed fit. I am 5 foot 3 inch tall, and this kurta is coming till my below calf. Palazzo is very comfortable to wear. Fabric is super breathable. It is not clinging to my body. It is 100% summer approved. I have styled it with this pearl earrings for that soft touch. For the footwear, I picked up my crochet heels and my Guess structured bag to mixing the tradition with the modern touch. And that's it. I am ready. Next up is again this dreamy lavender number from brand Indoera. This lavender color screams summer. It has the pure summer vibe to it. It is a straight kurta with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. Personally, I love V necklines because it elongates the frame. It is a comfortable fit kurta which has this fine lace detailing, embroidery, and this beautiful organza details, which adds the touch of sophistication to this set. Same organza detailing, same as sleeves, is given on trousers. Also, trousers are cropped, partially elasticated, and comes with one pocket. This beautiful half organza dupatta completes the look with its sheer elegance. This dress is ideal for festive gathering when you want to look and feel little bit dressed up. Its silk blend fabric gives a luxurious feel while still being breathable for the summer heat. I have paired it with these silver small hoops and these beautiful silver bangles. For the footwear, my go-to acrylic strap heels, and I am ready to go. Next up is this floral embroidered beauty from brand Indoera, which is light and breezy for these summer days. This kurta has straight cut with this beautiful V neckline, 3/4 sleeves, giving it that timeless classic vibe. It has this beautiful multicolored embroidery along the neckline, on the sleeves and on trousers, also giving it that traditional classic vibe to this set. This set comes with a cropped trousers, white color trousers, which is partially elasticated, ensures all-day comfort. It is made in pure cotton fabric. Kurta comes with a cotton lining, so you can wear it very easily without any fear. Best part of this set is this beautiful printed dupatta. It is made in soft pure cotton fabric. It feels so soft and it elevates the set instantly. To give this set a little glam touch, I have paired it with gold accessories. You can see these hoops, this beautiful golden bracelet from Lily Origin, and that's it. For the footwear, I paired it with my acrylic strap heels and the look is ready. This is off-white colored classic piece which you can wear for any day event, whether it is a casual outing or a brunch with friend, or you want to stay at home and look stylish. This dress is perfect for any occasion. Next up is this classic black and white combo from brand Indoera, which is simple, elegant, yet stylish, perfect for any occasion. I have purchased so many dresses from Indoera because they make such a beautiful cotton kurta set which you can't resist to buy. Kurta features straight cut with this V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, which is classic and timeless, along with its black and white color. It has this black color embroidery all over it, which adds the subtle charm to this dress. On the hemline, it has this beautiful detailing which elevates the look instantly. It comes with this beautiful cotton dupatta which has this lace detail all around it. You can see it's a full beautiful dupatta and it is made in pure cotton fabric which is really soft and comfortable to take. This set comes with a solid off-white trousers which has beautiful lace detail at the hemline. These are partially elasticated, which means it ensures the comfort for all day. It has 2 pockets to it and there is no lining in the trousers. For the styling, I have paired it with my gold hoops, again from my earlier look, and these 2 bracelets, one from Lily Origin and other one is from Amazon. And for the footwear, my acrylic strap heels, and that's it. My look is ready. This set is for those days when you want to look put together without making too much effort. It is an off-white color set with a black color embroidery, making it truly classic and timeless. It is my go-to choice for casual outing as well as semi-formal events. Next up is this elegant kurta from brand Sangria, which is simple yet stunning. It is a simple straight kurta with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. It has delicate embroidery at the neck, sleeve and hemline, adding a touch of sophistication while the cotton fabric keeps it comfortable. I have paired it with off-white salwar because of its timeless combination. I have purchased a large size kurta, which is my usual size, but it is slightly tight at the sleeve and it is pure cotton kurta which can be shrink after washing. So while purchasing, take a size up. for this kurta set. Because it is a simple kurta, I have paired it with the simple jewelry, these gold and pearl earrings, a simple gold bracelet, and go-to acrylic strap heels. This is a simple kurta for running errands, staying at home or office. My look is ready. You can see the complete look here. If you find this content useful, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.